Today, Anastasia and I are exploring the upscale neighborhood of Cayuga Heights. Let's jump into it and see what makes this neighborhood unique. First impression, has a sidewalk. That's a plus in my book. So we're starting out on Highland. Gonna work our way into the sidewalk ends, and then backtrack to Sunset Park and let Anastasia play for a little bit. Nice brick home, white brick home. I'll cut to some B-roll. Hi to the camera. Beautiful brick home up here. Spectacular. Given the size of the driveway.
Mama.
Hello? When? Oh shit, I won't be able to make it. I'm out filming. But say hi. Tell them I'm a big fan. Alright, baby. Yeah, I'm about 20 minutes from the car already, and hey, baby. I'll talk to you later. Bye, Lily. Apparently, Bill Nye's at my wife's office, so I'm missing that to film this neighborhood for you guys. Bill Nye is a hero of mine. More Nana. Check out this house. It's gonna be hard to film unless I get on the street, but it's pretty much a castle. Let me see if I can get on the street. Hopefully this footage isn't too damn shaky. Just like a castle. Spectacular house. Maybe might remind me of the Blair Castle in Ireland. Well, here's the end. Here's another brick home. Let's see if I can just get it in our normal footage. Not brick, I meant rock, like a castle. Let's see. Spectacular there. Spectacular here. Another all rock home. Let's get up on the road a little bit. This is where the sidewalk ends. This is the gray stone home. Beautiful. Look, a library. I think all these books are too big for baby girl. Aw. It's like Dutch. Almost reminds me of the cottages I've seen driving through the countryside of France. But every now and then the plaster lets loose and you can see the brickwork cut underneath. Try to get a photo of it and add it to the B-roll. Very beautiful home. I like it. I like the plaster, half brickwork sort of style. So the houses here feel like they're built into the nature scene with a little bit of grooming, while the landscaping in South Lansing is definitely manicured and done with intent. Which I guess this is done with intent too, but different intent. Nice brick house. Let me do it real quick. Someone's home. It's very touchy, you know. I try to definitely give people their privacy while touring their homes. You know, the front of the house isn't normally dolled up in these upscale neighborhoods to attract the eye. So, I would assume they want people to look. But I also don't want to be taking pictures of people in their front yard, you know. So now we're coming up to Cayuga Heights. Right at the corner of Cayuga Heights and Hanshaw. Beautiful brick Dutch home. And just to let y'all know, I'm making these just my worldly experience of traveling. I named these things what I think they should be named. Forgot my rain gear. I have a whole suit just in case we get caught out in the rain. That baby girl has her carriage that folds up quite nice around her, and mean, if we gotta get a little wet, we gotta get a little wet. Oh, it's beautiful through here. I'm gonna get some forward-facing video.
Turn right on Sunset Drive.
Spectacular views. You know, these videos will amount to nothing. It's still worth it. Because I need to come out here and walk around stuff like this all day, a couple times a week. You know, beautiful Dutch home. I call it Dutch. I don't know. It's like brick with plaster overlay, slated roof. Something. I drove through, Kate and I, when Kate was pregnant with Anastasia, drove through the entire length of France, and from Marseille to Normandy, and those are the most popular style homes we saw in the countryside. One of my most favorite trips. Little roads are just I mean, even if these homes weren't spectacular, I would move to this neighborhood for the sidewalks alone. Robins are out. Kate and I are amateur birders, me being more amateur than her. We're at Sunset Park Road. Anastasia's itching to get out of her carriage. Guess he's to the left here. Wow, look at this home. I love these homes. Plaster with some brick. Get it in this view too. So this is the entrance to Sunset Park. I like to get it on this camera too, because it kind of syncs up with the phone, the videos I take on the phone with the videos I take here. No, we've never been to Sunset Park before. It's mostly just a little area set off in the road with great views of the Ithaca Valley. I think that's pretty much it. Got signs that says dangerous steep. I think Ithaca High School is right off the ledge here. So the neighborhood off the ledge here is called Fall Creek. We'll make a separate video on that neighborhood. But the separating portion is the cliff. And then Cayuga Heights is also bound pretty much by the Fall Creek Gorge that separates Cayuga Heights from Cornell University. All the way up to the highway. Let's get some playing done. Let's get a panoramic on this guy. Check that out. You want out? Come on, let's play. Be careful. No. Go play. Come on. Hey. Come on here. Come on.